October 2022. These are just going to be a few short, few-minute videos on shed organisation. Okay, here we go. This was on camping gear that got shoved in a corner along with some clothes hangers. There's chemicals in the cupboard. The shelf that was over there broke. I ended up finding 2 metal shelves on the side of the road, so we'll bring those in. But because of that, I've now just started to restack. Okay, this is all junk to be sorted, and in the other 2 sheds, I've got a similar 5 boxes. Okay, that's going to be an awesome one to organise. That means I've got to just, on the concrete, tip it out, scoop up what's rusted and rubbish, get rid of the rest. Camping chairs are going, obviously, with the camping gear. And then out here we have hoses that need to be sorted and put back in, the ones that are going in there. The rest is rubbish. But as you can see, all of that was piled on the broken shelves. Take you over to the push bike shed. As you can see, a little bit of organisation is needed in here so we can start to use the bikes again. It comes down to knowing what you need. When the shelves broke, I stood back and looked and went, right, we got those metal shelves in from outside, from the other shed. I've now found 2 shelves that will fit perfectly from there to there. I've kept the table accessible so I can use it if I'm sorting, which is another big you need to do when you're sorting, have an accessible flat space. If you don't, you will find everything just gets dumped out in the weather like this. And as I said, these are just going to be a shoot. Get rid of the stuff that you're obviously not going to fix or use, like the fork. Old vacuums I found in the shed, they were kids' toys, but there's the start of the scrap metal pile. Have your 3 piles. This is going on Gumtree. I've already gotten rid of the swing. Waiting for an answer about the washing machine. The table's damaged, so I think that just goes with the scrap metal. This shed is looking bloody fantastic. Picnic hamper stuff, outdoor chairs, carpet cleaner. As you can see, this is all wiring that needs sorting. There's another one of those dump it and sort boxes, or just get it in the bin. That's when you seriously got to ask yourself, what's it being used for? Do I really need it? And if you haven't touched it for more than 6 months, as I said, get rid of it. It's easier to say that than done. As you see in the corner, an empty box ready for what's being kept. Okay, so on conclusion, we have table space to sort, an empty box for the good stuff, a couple of areas for what you need to get shelving for, which is like the camping gear and the picnic hamper stuff. You don't want to leave tents on the ground, so we've got to work that out. But at the moment, table space, empty box for what's good, somewhere obviously to be able to sort it, and bins, scrap metal pile bin, what you're getting rid of bin to other people, what you can sell or, give away for free, and recyclables. I think that's... Have a good one.